just want to give you a quick update on the construction progress of our new pavilion. I'm standing under it right now. They got half of the roof on. They're working hard. It's looking great. It's got that new pavilion smell out here. It's pretty sweet. But thank you to those who are bringing treats and some drinks to our construction workers every day. Very much appreciated. Hey, we can't wait to be out here using this new space this summer for some community concerts and worship services and some service projects. We can't wait to see what God does in this space through his people. He is good. Thanks for your support of this project.